Hello everyone, my name is Ricky Echeverria, a CSS at your local Southwest Toyota dealership. On today's tip of the month, I'm going to be explaining the importance of your equipment, service, and maintenance. Much like your car, your equipment also requires regularly scheduled maintenance. It helps relieve the stress of unexpected breakdowns, increase productivity, and most important, safety. The overall life of your equipment depends on maintenance and service. Here at Southwest Toyota Lift, we offer 3 different options for our customer depending on usage. Planned maintenance, full maintenance, and T360 program, as seen here. The Toyota factory recommends on IC trucks to be serviced every 250 hours, on electrics every 500 hours, or every 12 weeks, whichever one comes first. Here at Southwest Toyota Lift, we have certified technicians ready to help you. Whenever you're ready, email us or call us. Thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe, and see you on the next tip of the month.